Hey guys, good morning. So today's the day we're gonna take our exam. So I'm gonna make a few comments about the exam and then we're gonna practice a little and then we're gonna take it, okay? Our exam has been posted on the classroom website and you have had a chance to look at it. I haven't changed it, nor am I going to. I want you guys, it is going to be shuffled. I will tell you that it's not in a strict, number. You can't memorize the answers. You have to know the stuff, but I wanted you guys to be able to practice on the numbers that I chose. And it is going to be multiple choice, so you can pick greater than, less than, or equal to. So you pick your sign. You have to know your signs and you have to know what they mean to answer the questions. For a little bit of practice, let's go through the Quizlet, which has also been available on the classroom website for your practice. And we'll just hop through this real fast. So you have 7 and 5. Which one is bigger? There are no hundreds, there are no tens, only ones. So you can count if you would like, or if you know the answer, you can just answer it like that. I think that 7 is greater than 5. I think the alligator's mouth is going to eat the 7. Okay, let's check it. Oh, I was right. Move forward. 3 and 8. This is one of those tricky ones. You have to make sure that it's not filled out over here and it's not open right here like the 3. And the 3 doesn't have the lines to make it an 8, okay? So the 8's bigger. Alligator's going to eat the 8. Awesome. Okay. Let's skip these and go to the bigger ones, okay? I did pick a couple of these on the test. I tried to trick you guys, okay? I did. So you have to, that's why your test was available. I wanted you guys to practice on the numbers and be sure you knew the answers. 56 or 65. If you're unsure, remember, count by your tens. Which 10th place is bigger? The 6. Okay. Okay, there are some of these too. So we have 23 and 23. If you didn't know that, your tens are the same, your ones are the same. Double check yourself. If you think that they're equal, it could have been like the 3 and the 8. Just double check, triple check. Make sure you are 100% on this answer. Equal to. If you know that's 23 and you know that's 23, then it's equal. See, these are the tricky ones. Okay, so just your tens, they're the same. Move to your one places. 6 or 4. The 6 is bigger, so the alligator's going to eat the 6. Okay, we hop on over to the classroom website and sorry, I was not ready. And we scroll all the way down to the bottom. Here's your exam. And it's been up here. And you just mark your answers. Greater than, less than, equal. There are 10 questions. Each question is worth 10 points for a possible 100 points. When you're done, just click submit. And I wish you guys the luck. And I will, yeah, thank you.